Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be taking a look at 7 most reliable used SUVs you need to buy before they are all gone. Number 7. 2016 Mazda CX-5. The 2016 Mazda CX-5 is that used SUV that's like a golden retriever, loyal, low maintenance, and somehow still stylish after 9 years. With prices starting around $7,500 for high-mileage models and topping out near $24,000 for garage-kept gems, it's a bargain hunter's dream that won't make your wallet sob into its coffee. Let's talk fuel efficiency. This crossover sips gas like a connoisseur, offering 29 miles per gallon combined, meaning fewer stops at the pump and more cash for important things like tacos. Reliability. The CX-5 scoffs at drama. Owners report hitting 135,000 miles with nothing more than a $300 AC blower motor fix. One parent even credited its safety features, like blind spot monitoring and a 5-star side crash rating, for their teen walking away unharmed after a highway collision. Sure, at 95,000 miles, it might develop a quirky rattling noise. Blame cheap plastic, not engineering, but that's just its way of saying, hey, I've earned a little midlife crisis. With used inventory drying up faster than sunscreen in July, snagging a CX-5 now means joining a cult of owners who will high-five you at red lights. Just don't wait too long. These things are disappearing faster than free donuts at an office meeting. Number 6. 2018 Hyundai Tucson. The 2018 Hyundai Tucson is that reliable friend who shows up with coffee and a toolkit, practical, dependable, and quietly excellent at adulting. With used prices starting around $7,000 and averaging $14,000 for mid-mileage models, it's the sweet spot between I'm fiscally responsible and I deserve something nice. Hyundai's 60,000-mile warranty still covers many 2018 models, offering a cozy safety net against life's "why is that making that noise?" moments. Pair that with a 5-star safety rating, and you've got a car that coddles your wallet and your existential dread about highway merges. Fuel efficiency? It sips gas like a minimalist influencer with a 30 highway MPG, costing roughly $145 a month to keep running. Less than your streaming subscriptions, probably. The Tucson's resale value? Think of it as the anti-Bitcoin. Even with 100,000 miles, listings hover around $10,000 to $12,000, proving that sensible choices age like George Clooney. Act fast, though. With prices as low as $7,000 for high-mileage Warriors and $14,000 for garage-kept gems, these Tucsons are vanishing faster than free office pizza. Your future self, the one who isn't stressing over repair bills, will thank you. Number 5. 2016 Subaru Forester. The 2016 Subaru Forester is that reliable used SUV you should snag before it vanishes like a good deal on Craigslist. This one's got the magic combo of affordability, capability, and longevity, all wrapped in a no-nonsense package. With its legendary Subaru all-wheel drive, you're looking at a machine that laughs in the face of bad weather. Under the exterior, you've got a solid 2.5-liter 4-cylinder pumping out 170 horsepower, which isn't meant to win races but will get you through daily commutes, road trips, and those sudden, let's-go-to-the-mountains plans without breaking a sweat. Reliability? This thing is a workhorse. Subaru owners swear by them, and for good reason. With proper maintenance, the Forester can easily cross the 200,000-mile mark, making it one of those drive it till the wheels fall off kind of SUVs. And maintenance won't break the bank either. Average annual repair costs hover around $630, which is decent for an AWD vehicle. The best part? You can still find well-maintained 2016 Foresters for $12,000 to $18,000, depending on mileage and condition. That's a solid deal for something that'll outlast a lot of newer, pricier competitors. If you've been on the fence, now's the time to grab one before someone else does, and you're stuck wishing you had. Number 4. 2017 Toyota Highlander. The 2017 Toyota Highlander is one of those used SUVs that you should grab before it vanishes from the market. Why? Because it's got that rare combination of reliability, practicality, and resale value that makes other SUVs jealous. This thing is powered by a 3.5-liter V6, pumping out 295 horsepower, while managing to sip fuel at a respectable 27 miles per gallon depending on whether you go for front-wheel or all-wheel drive. And since it's a Toyota, expect it to keep running well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, because that's just what Toyotas do. Let's talk money. A used 2017 Highlander typically sits between $20,000 to $30,000, depending on trim, condition, and mileage. Given how well these hold their value, you're not just buying an SUV, you're making an investment that won't depreciate into oblivion like some of its rivals. Insurance costs aren't ridiculous either, since it's known for safety and doesn't fall into the "let's charge extra" category. If you're looking for a used SUV that won't leave you stranded or cost you a fortune in repairs, the 2017 Highlander is the smart buy. But don't wait too long. Good ones disappear from the market fast, and prices aren't getting any lower. Number 3. 2015 Honda CR-V. The 2015 Honda CR-V is that used SUV you should grab before it vanishes faster than a good parking spot at Costco. This compact crossover has been a fan favorite in the US for a reason. It's dependable, efficient, and won't have you making best friends with your mechanic. Under the exterior, you get a 2.4-liter inline-4 engine with 185 horsepower, paired with a CVT that prioritizes fuel economy over drama. Reliability? Honda wrote the book on it. The CR-V consistently ranks as one of the most trouble-free SUVs, and with proper maintenance, it'll easily see 200,000 miles or more. Common complaints? Not many. Most owners just keep driving them without issue, which is why you don't see too many sitting unsold on dealership lots. Prices for a solid used 2015 model typically range from $12,000 to $18,000, depending on mileage and condition. That's a small price to pay for a vehicle that'll likely outlast your next phone upgrade. And let's talk comfort. The ride is smooth, the seating position is just right, and the all-wheel drive option makes winter driving a non-event. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just avoiding potholes, the CR-V does it all with no complaints. If you find one in good shape, don't hesitate, because someone else probably won't either. Number 2. 2018 Lexus RX. The 2018 Lexus RX is the kind of used SUV that makes you wonder why people keep buying new ones. With prices hovering around $25,000 depending on mileage and condition, this luxury crossover is a steal compared to the $50,000 price tag of a new one. It's got the legendary Lexus reliability, meaning you'll probably get tired of it before it even thinks about breaking down. Owners regularly push these well past 250,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance, making it one of the smartest buys in the used luxury SUV market. Under the exterior, the RX packs a 3.5-liter V6 that's been around long enough to prove itself rock solid. It delivers smooth power with no turbo complications, and since it runs on regular gasoline, it won't drain your wallet at the pump. Expect around 27 miles per gallon, respectable for a mid-size luxury SUV that won't leave you stranded at a repair shop. Lexus doesn't play around with quality, and it shows in how well these SUVs age. The paint holds up, the suspension remains buttery smooth, and there's little to worry about besides oil changes and brake pads. If you've ever wanted a luxury SUV without the luxury repair bills, this is it. But don't wait too long. Clean, low-mileage examples are getting harder to find, and when they pop up, they don't stay for sale very long. Number 1. 2015 Toyota RAV4. The 2015 Toyota RAV4 is that used SUV you should grab before it vanishes from the market like a good deal on Black Friday. It's practical, fuel-efficient, and built with the kind of reliability that makes mechanics shake their heads because they rarely see one in the shop. Toyota didn't just make this RAV4 reliable, they practically made it immortal. With regular maintenance, these can easily cross the 200,000-mile mark without breaking a sweat. The transmission is smooth, the ride is comfortable, and the all-wheel drive models handle bad weather like they were born for it. Whether it's rain, snow, or potholes big enough to swallow smaller cars, the RAV4 shrugs it off. Finding a used 2015 RAV4 in good condition will likely cost you between $12,000 to $18,000, depending on mileage and features. That's a small price for a vehicle that won't leave you stranded on the side of the road. Plus, with Toyota's reputation, resale value stays strong, so even if you decide to upgrade later, you won't take a massive hit. In a world where used car prices are unpredictable, this SUV is a safe bet. If you find one that's been well cared for, grab it before someone else does. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.